So you're feeling a little overweight and you want to lose some pounds. Here's some tips that will help. Start your day with a glass of water. Staying hydrated boosts your metabolism and helps you feel fuller before you eat breakfast. I start every morning with a full glass of water and it gets me off to a great start. 2, work out before breakfast. Moderate exercise on an empty stomach burns fat more efficiently because it burns stored fat. 3, eat a high-protein breakfast. This will help you feel full longer and build muscle after a workout. You could eat eggs, but remember to add some color to your plate, like fresh fruit. I personally, almost every morning, I have a peanut butter sandwich on whole wheat with fresh fruit. Peanut butter has plenty of protein. Whole wheat has protein. Even fruit has protein. And I use my homemade peanut butter, nothing added to it. You could have a bowl of oatmeal with a poached egg, an excellent choice. Or you could scramble some eggs with tomatoes, onions, mushrooms, and add a little avocado on the side. All of these are great choices, a great way to start off your day. 4, plan your meals. If you're having trouble sticking to your diet, it's going to help you to plan out what you're going to eat for the day. You can use your calendar as reminders. You can prepare food at home and take it with you to avoid buying processed snacks and fast food when you're at work. 5, use measuring cups and spoons. If you're having trouble with your calorie intake, this can help you stay on track. I personally don't do that except for certain recipes, but I'm very good at eyeballing the amount of food on my plate. I want my protein to be about the size of the palm of my hand, and I fill the rest of my plate with colorful vegetables or fruit. I don't worry about those because they are low calorie, high nutrient. 6, practice mindful eating. Focus on the taste, the texture, the smell of your food. This is going to help you stop overeating. If you're eating with somebody else, if you're having dinner with somebody else, you could actually enjoy each other's company. 7, weigh yourself daily. This is especially helpful when you're on a weight loss journey. But don't obsess over minor fluctuations. As long as your overall weight is going down week by week, month by month, you're on track. 8, get some sunlight. This will get you your vitamin D, which will improve your immune system. It will improve your circadian rhythm, which will help you improve your sleep. Good sleep is going to help you lose weight. 9, use your calendar alarm, sticky notes, and other triggers to help you stay on track. Enlist a friend or family member to join you. You can keep each other honest and have fun on your health journey together. 10, remember, the real goal is better health and fitness. Fat is a symptom, and as you improve your health and fitness, the weight will follow. Pura vida, amigos. If you like this video and others from 105-Minute Meals, please subscribe. Hit the like button and hit the bell button so that you get notifications when we come out with new videos. Pura vida from Costa Rica.